India's first tribal presidential candidate for the upcoming presidential elections, Draupadi Murmu, had arrived in Meghalaya on the 6th of July 2022 and was received by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, members of the BJP Meghalaya State and other leaders at the Umroi Airport. Accompanying the NDA presidential candidate was Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal besides others. Later, Murmu addressed a gathering of members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and members of Parliament from Meghalaya at the Orchid Lake Resort, Umyam. The purpose of Draupadi Murmu's visit to Meghalaya and other states in the northeast is to appeal for support from the MLAs and MPs to her candidature for the presidential elections to be held on the 18th of July 2022.
I request our Honorable MP, Dr. W.R. Kharuki, to kindly felicitate our guest again. Our Honorable MP.